I was caught up in that attack last week. I was one of 12 trapped in the house gallery. I heard the shot being fired. I saw the smoke from the tear gas having been deployed. And I watched one officer with no protective equipment face a raging mob just outside the chamber. We crawled across the entire length of that balcony. I was in the last group to be evacuated. We ran down the halls, stairs, near a mob that was being held on the ground at gunpoint. I sheltered for 4 to 5 hours in a room that was packed shoulder to shoulder with people. Adding more trauma to the riot we had just survived were several Republican colleagues refusing to wear a mask. As a result, many of my dear colleagues and friends have tested positive. I'm waiting my results. I know some of you had similar experiences. The horror didn't care what chamber you served in. But I do know that in the balcony, it was Democrats and members of the press. Ask yourselves, is gunfire in the speaker's lobby a new normal that you're willing to accept?